Hey, you guys. You guys gonna spend the night? I think. Didn't you guys spend the night last night in here? It got pretty cold. Got down to 29 degrees, so I think you guys did. 30. I think it's 37 now here tonight. But yeah, glad you guys are spending the night in here. Last week was really warm. This week, not so much. Didn't need these space heaters on last week. Need them this week though. And need them on this week, unfortunately. Just means the electricity's going to go get a little higher. But had a little nice break last week, didn't we, guys? Yeah, 37 right now. We'll let that light warm up a little bit. It's not like it's 70 degrees out there right now. Oh, Shurgy. Yeah, you just wanted to come over here. There you go, Shurgy. There you go. Hey, you guys. Hey, Bubba. How you doing? Doesn't feel all that bad. Not at the moment anyway, but I'm just walking out of a kind of a warm house. I'm sure if I stay out here long enough, I'll get cold, so I won't be out here very long. But it's not bad at the moment. But I won't be out here very long. Oh, you want out, Rocky? You want out? Well, it's not that bad. There you go. Please don't take off. Okay. Just, please don't take off, Rocky. You have a tendency, you You just have a tendency to take off. I'll just close the door. Hey, Bubba. How you doing, huh? Hey, sugar baby. Yeah. Yes, I know. I just hope you're enjoying being in the warmth. Oh, Rocky. Hasn't taken off yet. Hey, Shergy. How you doing over there? Hey, Bubba. Oh, buddy. How you doing, Rocky? It's not freezing, but it's, well, it's cold enough for me anyway. I'm glad you haven't taken off yet. I'll just leave this light. Oh, okay. Well, come on in. Come on in. I was just about to close the door. Come on, Sugar. Hey there, Sugar. Oh. Oh, sugar. Hey, sugar. Yes. Yes, Shurgy. I was able to step over them with so that's good. Excuse me. Oh, you guys. Well, I'm glad you didn't take off, Rocky. Yes. How you doing there, buddy? Well, how's Sugar doing over here? Are you staying warm? I think maybe you are. Hi. Yes, there you go. I'm pretty sure I know the answer. You probably don't want to go out, but might as well off just in case that I'm wrong. No, okay. I'll shut the. I was just wondering. There we go. I didn't think you wanted out, but I just want to make sure. There you go, sugar. I know. There you go. Are you hungry there, Rocky? Probably not. At least not yet, anyway. Well, maybe he's a little hungry. I don't know. Maybe he is. You guys. Hey, Sugar. Hey, Sugar. Sugar. I know you want some love, yes. There you go. Well, let's see. I'll turn on some lights here, or at least one anyway. I did get a new space heater the other day. Yes, sugar, I did. Yeah. That's the new space heater. Works pretty nice too. The other one was just getting a little too old. 20 years, yes. And it was just starting to kind of act up a little bit, yeah. And plus getting cold again, yes. Needed a space heater that actually worked and was going to work in good condition and all that, so I just bought a brand new one. Yes. Oh, sugar. Yes. Oh, oh, sugar, I know. There you go. But that's the new space heater. Yes, sugar. Yes, sugar. Yes. Yes, it is. Yes. Sugar. There you go. Okay. How you guys doing out here, huh? Are you guys staying warm? I'm sure you are. Oh, sugar. Yes. Don't know if it's going to get any colder or not. It might. But I'm just not sure at the moment. It may be just leveling out here at 37 degrees. Rocky, buddy. Well, I guess you guys are gonna go to sleep, which is understandable. It is pretty late. What you doing, sugar? Huh? What you doing, sugar baby? Hi, Rocky. Hey, buddy. Oh, I think Buddy's going to sleep. Oh, I see that, buddy. Yes. Yes. Oh, you guys. Well, I'm still pretty sure what the answer is, but I'll open up the door just in case you do want to get outside for whatever reason. No. Okay, that's what I thought. Answer's no. Okay. Just wondering. Yeah, these are the two space heaters that are 20 years old. They ran pretty good. They just, you know, 20 years, that's pretty good. Isn't it, you guys? Yeah, 20 years is pretty good for that. I think, I'm pretty sure it is. Look, oh, buddy. Oh, okay, I know you guys are tired.